Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your Roblox account. So all you have to do, guys, just simply click the settings gear in the upper right hand side, click on settings, then on the left hand side, go down to payment methods. And from here, just simply click on add and enter your credit or debit card details. Once you enter that, enter your billing email there, and you want to fill in your billing address and click on save. Once you do that, you'll have a payment method added to your Roblox account. And if at any point in time you want to go ahead and purchase some Robux, you can easily do so, because guess what? You have your Roblox card linked to your account, and all you have to do is just simply click on the one that you want to purchase, and it's going to take you over to where you can just simply either fill in your card details, or it's going to detect for you and you can pay there from there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Just choose the option for credit or debit card, and if you have that linked, it's gonna go ahead and allow you to make those purchases. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.